Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, hello my lions. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday. We have a 3-layer cake and we are in zone 5. Our first layer is our 5 routines. We have our morning routine for ourselves and our children, our laundry routine, our paper routine, our after dinner routine, our before bed routine. The morning routine for everyone, the laundry routine and paper routine in the morning for at-home fly babies, and in the afternoon for payroll fly babies, after dinner and before bed. The second layer of our cake is our zone. We're in zone 5, the final day in our living room to either do 10 minutes of deep cleaning or 15 minutes of decluttering, and then throwing away the trash, putting away the things we have chosen to keep, carefully chosen to keep, and giving away by putting the things in the trunk that we're going to give away on our next errand day. Blessing other people with things that we really aren't using or enjoying. All right, the third thing in our 3-layer cake, this is not a 4-layer cake. The third thing in our 3-layer cake is our basic weekly plan. Today is Friday, it is car and purse day. Again, don't make this harder than it has to be. Just go out to your car, throw the trash away, get things out of the car that don't belong in there, bring them in the home and put them away. Don't clutter up the counter, put them away or throw them away. Maybe shake your mats. If you have time, you can take the car to the car wash and get it washed. If not, it's not a big deal. It'll look a lot better just not having trash and garbage in it and things that don't belong in it, like blankets and bottles and sippy cups and goldfish wrappers, okay? All right, the next thing we're going to do is our purse. Dump it out and put everything back in except the trash where you really want it to be. So you know next time where your wallet is, where your cell phone goes, where your Kleenex are, okay? Your keys. If you're working, you can't dump it on the table, but you can certainly do it at work. You just go dig through it and get out the junk. Throw away the gum wrappers, the old Kleenex, the goldfish wrapper that I was talking about that you might have found in the car. Okay, throw all that away and kind of rearrange things in your purse. You can also clean your car in your lunch hour. Just take a Walmart bag out there and get things either to take back into your home when you get home in one bag and the trash in the other. The end. Make it a promise to yourself. Be purposeful that every time you take the key out of the ignition or you turn your car off, if it's a keyless car, that you think, that's my trigger to pick everything up that's in here, everything we brought in. And if you do it every time, it won't be hard. It's like clutter checking 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening, keeps that clutter from building up. Same in your car. Okay, so it is also date night. So I want you to have a great time with your hubby or your spouse. Enjoy your time together. This is a time without children, whether you wait till the children are in bed and you just have a little date night in the living room, or you're able to have a sitter and go out, or you have children who are old enough to watch the younger ones and themselves. So whatever it takes, enjoy that time together. And then don't forget that, always remember that you're going to do your before bed routine, even though you might come in late. Take your makeup off. Promise you'll do that. All right, brush your teeth, get in your PJs, put your clothes away, take care of them. Don't heap things in piles in the bedroom. Be mindful. Okay, so this is it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Friday, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.